Hey guys, good morning everyone, good morning, and we are finally live. And I see more than 20 members already watching this stream live. Great. Hello traders, I'm really happy to see you. I see Pi right here, Pi David right here, I see James right here. Nice to see you traders. And while other members are connecting to the live stream, let me briefly introduce myself. My name is Vasily. I'm a trader, I'm a trading coach, and for the last 8 years I'm trading. Yes, and I'm a full-time trader. I'm teaching people and I trade Forex. Yes, Forex is my passion. I'm a Forex trader, but also I trade gold, I trade oil, I trade silver. Occasionally I trade stocks, and my watch list is very big. I have many instruments. I watch the altcoins, I watch the indexes, and I am a price action trader. I'm a technical trader, and for my predictions, I apply the so-called top-down trading strategy. And in this live stream, what I want to do, I want to show you how I apply my trading strategy. I will show you a couple of examples of the trades that I currently have. We will analyze different markets together, and I will show you how my strategy works. Also, traders, here what I want to have a dialogue with you. Yes, I want to talk to you and I want you to ask me questions. Here on YouTube, we have a live chat where you can ask me questions live. And during this stream, I will monitor the chat and I will answer your questions. For example, I see Christina right here. Nice to see you. I see your message in the chat. I see Loha, I see Dauda, I see Albert. Nice to see you, traders. Yes, good morning, everyone. So, to start with, I wanted to show you a very nice potential buying opportunity on Aussie dollar pair. We'll analyze the pair together, and I will try to explain to you why the market looks very bullish to me there and how we will try to buy it together. So let's open Aussie dollar pair. And being top-down traders, it is very important for us to start our analysis with a higher time frame. Yes, we start our analysis with a higher time frame, preferably a daily time frame. And here we should analyze together the structure and we should identify what is the current market trend. And you can see that since February, the pair is trading in a bullish trend. You can see that here we have a very classic bullish price action. The market sets high highs, high lows, and recently setting that high, the market retraced, and now it looks like bulls are finally pushing. So it looks like the market can start going higher. And analyzing the structure in a daily time frame, you can see that the market is taking off from quite peculiar structure support. You can see that that structure was quite important for the market in the past. It was a very strong resistance. And after the breakout, it turned into support. And from there, the market bounced nicely. So approaching the structure again, I was expecting a similar kind of reaction from the structure. But once we analyzed the daily time frame, once we identified the market trend, once we identified a key level, our next step, traders, is to look for some confirmation. And confirmations can be different. Different traders look for different confirmations. For me, a confirmation is a price action reversal pattern formed on intraday time frames, on the 4-hour time frame or on hourly time frame. So our task is to analyze lower time frames and to check what is happening there. So let's see what was happening on the 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, as you can see, once the structure was reached, we formed a very nice doji candle right here. Yes, we formed the doji candle right here, and then we formed a nice sequence of bullish candles. And if we analyze the price action right here, you can see that here we got very nice double bottom formation with the high level. And the market here violated the neckline of this double bottom formation to the upside. We got the confirmed breakout, the 4-hour candle close above. But take a look what I spotted on an hourly time frame as an extra confirmation. On an hourly time frame, analyzing the price action again, here from that structure high, we may spot, take a look, this falling parallel channel. You can see the market was nicely falling within this falling parallel channel. But once the structure that we spotted on a daily time frame was reached, you can see that the its resistance was broken to the upside. So it is a very nice extra confirmation. We see that bulls are pushing right now, and definitely we should try to buy the market together. So first of all, where will be our entry if we buy the market? Of course, the best entry in my view is the retest of a broken structure. Yes, in my view, retest entry is the best type of entries. For that reason, we will buy on a retest. Our stop loss will strictly lie below the lows of the pattern. Yes, it is a very important rule for us to follow. You can see that here are our structure low, and we set our stop loss below that to make our position safe. Where will be our first target for the trade? Here we should analyze the structure. We should look left and check where are our closest structure levels. And looking left at structure, you can see that right here we have a very strong structure resistance. Yes, you can see that right here we have a very important resistance cluster. So our first goal for this trade will be that resistance cluster. Yes, once that structure is reached, we will move our stop to entry traders and we will close 50% of our profits. And where will be our second target? Where is our next strong structure traders? Our next strong structure traders is that current high. So even though we have quite bad risk to reward for the initial target, here will be our risk to reward for the second target. Yes. So currently traders, I have my buy limit order on a retest. Yes, I'm patiently waiting for a retest to open the long position right here. Yes, so for now, patience. Let me know, traders, if you have any questions concerning this trading setup. Let me know if everything is clear. Nice to see Andy right here. Nice to see Barnes right here. Nice to see Thomas. Nice to see Hassan. Nice to see Simon. Nice to see Lila. Nice to see you, traders. Thank you for watching this trading session live. Nice to see Muhammad right here. Greetings from Indonesia. Thank you for watching me. I guess it is already evening, right, in Indonesia. Nice to see Mohammed. Nice to see Mariam, Kote, James, Bayu. Nice to see you, traders. Let me know if everything is clear. And this is our potential trade. Yes, on Aussie dollar, this is our potential trading opportunity. Yes, for now, we are not sure whether we will be able to open this position or not. We don't know. Yes, for now, we are holding our buy limit order. Let me show you the example of an active trade. Yesterday with my students, we spotted a very nice buying opportunity on New Zealand dollar pair. Yes, here with my students, we bought the market. Yes, here we got a very nice long trade. Yes, and you can see that our first target is almost reached right here. And let me try to explain to you what was the logic behind this trade. Let's simply open a naked chart and let me show you why we took this trade, and moreover I will show you how you can buy New Zealand dollar based on the current price action. So again, let's start with the daily. On the daily time frame, the market is bullish. Yes, still locally we are bullish. Still we are trading in the bullish trend. And here the market dropped sharply. The market dropped and the market reached that strong structure support. Yes, you can see that here we have a very important key level. Once that key level was reached, the market stopped falling. You can see that we formed a bullish candle after the sequence of very bearish days, right? Now, analyzing how the market was trading on a 4-hour, you can see again that once the structure was reached, the market started to coil. The market became very weak and indecisive. And take a look what happened on an hourly time frame. In an hourly time frame, the market formed a classic head and shoulders pattern. Take a look, traders. Here is our left shoulder, the head, the right shoulder, and you can see that yesterday we got the breakout, bullish violation of the resistance of the neckline of this head and shoulders pattern. Yes, it was broken to the upside. And what we did with my students, we bought the market on a retest. On a retest, we opened the long position. Yes, here was our entry. We set our stop loss below the head, right? And our first target was that structure right here. Yes, that structure resistance. And you can see that the market almost reached our target. We already moved our stop to entry, so our position right now is risk-free already, and couple of pips till the first target. I really hope that the market will be able to reach the structure. And our second target is the next strong structure. And our next strong structure is right here. Yes, here's our next structure resistance. Yes, so very nice trade. Yes, you can see that again, the process is the following. We analyze the daily time frame, we spotted that the market is bullish and that it is approaching a strong support. Then we were looking for confirmation in lower time frames, and we spotted the inverted head and shoulders pattern on an hourly time frame. Our trigger to buy the market was the breakout of the neckline and its retest. Yes, we bought on a retest, and right now the trade is active. Yes, let me know if everything is clear. Question from Ejin Lee. I hope I pronounced your name correctly. Why is the stop loss so huge, bro? The point is that I want to make my position safe. I want you to realize, traders, that in trading it is very easy to be stop hunted. Remember that bankers, hedge funds, they know where are the stop losses of greedy traders. For that reason, we have deep retests like that. You can see that even though our neckline is right here, you can see that the market dropped lower. Yeah, for that reason, if you want to win in this game, you shouldn't be greedy. Yes, I really want you to have the extended stop losses, because only with them you can survive this volatility, yes, this stop hunting. So if you want to win more, yes, if you want to increase your win rate, if you want to win more often, unfortunately, you should have bigger stop loss. Yes, that is my view on trading, but so far, such conservative stop losses show their efficiency. Hello from Berlin, says Lothar July. Nice to see you. Nice to see Beatrice right here. Nice to see Bayou. Nice to see you, traders. By the way, what I wanted to tell you, traders, I wanted to make an announcement. If you want more live streams like that, if you want to learn my trading strategy, if you want to learn price action, structure analysis, I want to invite you in my premium educational group. This week I have 40% discount on a lifetime access. You will get my ebook with my trading strategy, you will get the video course, and you will get the access to my private live streams, yes, and live Q&As. For more details, check the link in the description below, and don't miss your chance, traders. So how to buy New Zealand dollar from a current perspective? Yes, if you didn't buy New Zealand dollar, I have one more opportunity for you to follow right here. So again, let's open the daily time frame first. And on a daily time frame, again, here's our structure. Yes, here's our structure support. And analyzing the market on a 4-hour time frame right now. Take a look, traders. Here on the 4-hour time frame, we have a double bottom formation. Yes, do you see this double bottom? Double bottom, and the market right here violated the neckline to the upside. Yes, here's our horizontal neckline that was broken. So you can buy the market on a retest, setting your stop loss below the lows of the pattern. Your first goal will be that structure support. Yeah, I see, by the way, that risk to reward for the initial target here is not that good, unfortunately. Yeah, but still, this will be your first target, and your second target will be the next resistance. Yes, that one. Yes, you can see it right here. We have a quite strong structural resistance. So let's measure our risk to reward for that trade. Here it goes. So potentially risking 1%, we can win right here 1.5, 1.6 percent of profits. Yes, so watch this one. Yes, if it looks reasonable to you, if you believe that New Zealand dollar will grow, I guess you can buy the market on a retest of that neckline. Yes, you can see that we have quite deep retest right here. And by the way, I bought the market one more time. As I told you, I already moved my stop to break even. Yes, trading this inverted head and shoulders pattern. So I decided to take one more trade on New Zealand dollar. Yes, let me know if everything is clear with this trade. I see some questions about gold. Let me know, traders, if you want me to analyze gold chart for you. Joseph says, are you recording this? Maybe you can watch later. Yes, Joseph, yes, the recording will be provided on YouTube. So if you cannot watch live, yes, of course, I will save this live stream and you will be able to watch it anytime you want. Questions from Lila about crude oil. Yeah, and someone else asked about crude oil. Eva says WTI, please. Yes, we will analyze. We'll analyze that together. And Bayu says, since the dollar keeps stronger, since the Fed issues will increase 50 points on interest rates, is it okay to take a loan on major peers? You know, don't forget that New Zealand dollar and Aussie dollar are very commodities-based peers. So a lot of factors right now affect these peers. Yes. And because of current geopolitical tensions, New Zealand dollar and Aussie dollar react in a very different manner by you. Yes, I hope that you feel what I'm trying to say. Yeah, so I'm buying, yes, and for now, my top-down trading strategy produces quite nice returns. So I really trust my strategy. That is why I'm buying. Now, let's take a look at WTI crude oil, traders. I saw a couple of questions about WTI crude oil. So let's analyze what is happening with the market. And again, traders, if you are a top-down trader, you could catch a very nice short on WTI crude oil. Let me show you how. First of all, this is a daily time frame. On a daily time frame, first, here's our strong structure support. Yes, you can see that. Here we have very strong structure support that the market respected 2 times in a row. And you can see that at the moment, the market kind of sets low highs. Yes, the market sets low highs. And yesterday, the market reached that key level. Yeah, do you see a key level right here? We have a very strong horizontal key level right here. It was resistance. After the breakout, it turned into support. Then again, after the breakout, it turned into resistance. Yes, so definitely, that level is important for the market participants. Take a look how the market reacted to that in the 4-hour. Once it was reached, we formed a doji candle right here, one more doji candle right here, and we formed right here a double top formation. Yes, do you see this double top on the 4-hour? Yes, very cute one. And take a look what happened on an hourly time frame. On an hourly time frame, traders, the market formed a head and shoulders pattern. Yes, do you see this one? Yes, very cute head and shoulders pattern. Here is the left shoulder, the head, the right shoulder. The market violated the neckline to the downside, retested that, and boom, the market dropped. The market dropped, and where it stopped falling, it reached this strong horizontal structure support. So you can see how nice top-down confirmation strategy is. And what can we expect from WTI crude oil right now? You know, it still looks bearish to me, to be honest. And I guess the market will keep falling after the breakout of that horizontal structure. You can see that on a 4-hour time frame here we have a minor structure support. So once it is broken to the downside, I believe that oil will drop lower. So you can look for a breakout. Also, I wanted to show you one more thing right here. On an hourly time frame, we got right here this expanding wedge pattern. Yes, you can see that here we got this expanding wedge pattern. So the market may even retest the broken resistance of this expanding wedge. So you can look for shorting opportunities somewhere from here. So two options for you to follow right now. Either to wait for a breakout of that horizontal structure support, or to wait for an occasional retest and try to short from here. Yes. I'm trading in 5 to 15 minutes time frame. Am I able to still work with your price action strategy? Says Alex. Yes, of course. Yes, of course. Then it will be just the scalping strategy. Yes, these confirmations work on all time frames. So try it. I guess you will be surprised how efficient this strategy is. Let me know, traders, if you have any questions concerning oil. I hope that my analysis makes sense to you. If you have any questions, please ask. And I see that many of you want me to analyze gold. Yes, Nazir also asked to analyze gold. So Mohammed asked to analyze gold. Nice to know. Let's check that together, traders. And as I told you, if you follow me for quite a while on Telegram or on Instagram, I told you many times that 2000 level is very important. I told you that in the 4-hour time frame here we have a very strong resistance cluster. Yes, around 2000 level we will definitely have a strong bearish pressure. And indeed, the market even didn't manage to reach 2000 level. Yes, sellers started to push, and yesterday we got quite strong bearish movement. You can see that gold right now is falling, and now the question is from where to look for buying opportunities on gold. Where is our closest strong structure to watch? For now, traders, the closest strong structure support that I see is right here. Yes, it is a very strong horizontal structure support. And for now, unfortunately, I'm waiting for the test of this one. Yes, because only from here, it will be safe for my trading strategy to buy gold. So watch carefully that level. And even though I'm watching that level, I'm not predicting that the market will drop all the way down to that structure. If we analyze the intraday time frames, if we open a 4-hour time frame, here we have a trend line. Take a look. Here we have this falling trend line, for example. And definitely that minor falling trend line can be important for the market participants. Yes, so if you are a scalper, if you are an intraday trader, definitely watch that trend line. Yes, watch that trend line, and moreover, I really want you to be focused on the confluence point between the trend line and that horizontal structure. Yes, I hope you see that, traders. Here we have this horizontal structure support. Here we have the trend line. If the price drops to that confluence point, if you're a scalper or intraday trader, you can look for confirmation to buy from here. And also we have one more intraday structure. Yes, you can see that here we have also one more 4-hour intraday structure. But you know, even though I expect some minor pullback from this one, something tells me that we may drop lower. So I believe that buying from this one will be quite risky, but you can see that the market is weakening right now. If we are zooming the chart, you can see that here we had a very strong bearish candle, weaker candle, weaker candle. So you can see that the market is weakening at the moment. Yes, so potentially we may see a pullback from that minor horizontal structure support. Yes, let me know, by the way, traders, what do you expect from gold? Are you bullish or bearish? What are your expectations? And Mohammed says that gold is weird. Yes, it is truly weird. And remember that we have such a weird price action on gold simply because of current geopolitical situation. Yes, because of the uncertainty, the market participants make very emotional decisions, and for that reason we see these sudden pumps right here, and then we see the sudden sell-offs. It is how it is, and unfortunately we can do nothing about that. But if you ask my long-term outlook for gold, I'm very bullish, and I assume that quite soon the current all-time structure high will be reached. Yes, the outlook is very bullish, and I truly believe that it will be reached quite soon. So if you are an investor, if you are buying gold for investing purposes, I guess it definitely can go higher, and I would suggest you keep holding. Yeah. I see many questions about Aussie CAD and pound Aussie. So yes, let's take a look at this. Yes. And I see the comment from Beatrice. Analyzing HTF moving in one on the charts, keeping it simple here. Nice. Thank you. I hope that that I got what you were trying to say. Thank you so much for your comment, Beatrice. So let's take a look at pound Aussie pair and Aussie CAD pairs, traders. First of all, pound Aussie. I really wanted to start with pound Aussie simply because you can see that in my watch list, pound Aussie is flagged. You can see that the instrument is flagged, and the reason why it is flagged is the fact that recently right here we formed very big inverted head and shoulders pattern on a daily time frame. Yes, I hope you see this pattern. And here we got a very strong horizontal structure support. Yes, the neckline right here is a key level. It is a key support. So from that, I'm looking for the confirmation to buy the market. Unfortunately, you can see that right now bears are pushing. You can see that locally we have a very bearish price action here on pound Aussie. So for now, my plan is the following. Simply, I am looking for confirmation to buy. Yes, what I'm looking for right here, I'm looking for some double bottom formation being formed on intraday time frames. And if we see the neckline breakout, I will buy. Yes, so that is my plan. For now, I am still locally bullish. I will be bearish on pound Aussie only after a violation of the level of the right shoulder. Yes, once the price closes below the right shoulder on a daily, I will be bearish again, and I will expect a bearish trend continuation. By the way, traders, take a look at the short trade that we took with my students on a pound New Zealand pair. We spotted a key level. We spotted a very nice key level here on a daily. Yes, you can see that here we got this very nice key level. And then we spotted a very nice confirmation. Here we got this double top formation on that key level. Yes, you can see that then we got the neckline breakout, multiple retests, and now the market is falling. Our break-even point is already reached. The stop is moved to entry, and you can see that the market is very close to the first target. Yes, so I really like this trade. Yes, so let me know if everything is clear with this one, and if something is not clear, please ask me, traders. Then it was the question about Aussie CAD. Again, you can see that in my watch list, Aussie CAD is flagged. Why is it flagged in my watch list? The point is, by the way, let's check if we have any trend line right here. No trend lines. If we draw the trend line from here, nothing, no trend lines, no trend lines. So what I spotted here on Aussie CAD pair. On Aussie CAD pair, you can see that here we have a very big head and shoulders pattern on a daily time frame. And its neckline right now is a key level. Yes, you can see that its neckline right now is a very strong key level. It was a very strong structure support, but after the breakout, it turned into resistance. And from that, I'm looking for shorting. From that, I'm looking for shorting opportunities. And currently, I'm looking for confirmation. For now, analyzing a 4-hour time frame, for now you can see that we are very bullish. For now, you can see that the market keeps trailing. You can see that we are very bullish right here. And if we open an hourly time frame, here on an hourly time frame, traders, take a look what I see. Here we have a very nice foundation for a head and shoulders pattern. Yes, here's our tiny left shoulder, tiny head, and currently the market is forming a right shoulder. And here's our neckline. So what I want to see on Aussie CAD pair, traders, I want to see the neckline breakout. Yes, the hourly candle close below the neckline. Then I will short on a retest, expecting a bearish movement. What will be our stop loss? Stop loss will lie above the head. First target will be our current structure low. Yes, here is our strong demand area. Yes, here it goes, and our first target will be simply its upper boundary. Yes, and how about the break-even point? I will move my stop to entry once the market reaches that structure. Yes, here is a very important intraday structure. So once that point is reached, I will move my stop to entry and will make my position risk-free. How about the second target, traders? Let's return back to 4-hour time frame and let's look left at structure. Where is our next structure? Our next structure, traders, will be right here. Here will be our next strong structure support. So returning back to an hourly time frame, here will be our second target. Yes, very nice potential trend following trade right here, traders. I really want you to watch this one. I really want you to flag Aussie CAD pair in your watch list, and I really want you to watch carefully this potential head and shoulders pattern. Yes, as I told you, when the hourly candle closed below the neckline, you confirm the breakout, so watch carefully. By the way, to not miss the breakout of a neckline, set the alert below that. Yes, neckline breakout. Once the price breaks that, you will get the notification from TradingView. Yes, that is how we manage the breakouts. Yes, I hope that everything is clear. Let me know if you have any questions. Yes. Then, hi Vasily, thanks for your good heart. I'm from Nigeria. Please analyze Bitcoin, says Jerry. Thank you so much, Jerry, for asking. Let's open Bitcoin. By the way, traders, let me know if you want me to analyze Bitcoin. And moreover, let me know what do you expect from Bitcoin. Are you bullish or bearish? Do you believe that the market will keep growing, or are you skeptical? Let me know what do you think. The main problem, Jerry, is that here we have this very strong vertical resistance. Yes, very strong trend line serving as the resistance. But unfortunately, we don't have such support. Yes, you can see that here we don't have any decent trend line to watch. And the closest strong structure that I am currently watching is that support. Yes, here we have a very important demand area. And for now, what I am looking for on Bitcoin, I want the price to reach that demand area. And right here, I will look for the confirmation to buy. Yes, once that demand area is reached, I will look for the confirmation right here, and I will buy expecting a bullish trend continuation. So for now, I simply stay away from Bitcoin. For now, I'm simply waiting for the test of the structure. But, again, due to current geopolitical situation, crypto market can easily drop lower. Remember that for big players, for big money, cryptocurrencies are kind of in their portfolio. Crypto market is on high risk side. For that reason, once the situation becomes worse, definitely they will sell crypto and they will choose some conservative assets like gold, like even just US dollar. Yep. So be very careful. Also, I saw a question from Beatrice about pound yen pair. Let's take a look at pound yen pair, traders. And yen is unstoppable. Yeah, you can see that yen is rallying like crazy. The market is going higher and higher and higher. All yen pairs are unstoppable. And for now, analyzing pound yen pair on a weekly, the next strong structure resistance to watch, Beatrice, is that structure. You can see that here we have a very important strong weekly structure resistance, and for now it is the closest structure from where I will expect a pullback. Yes, so buying right now is very risky because we are already too high. Selling is very risky because you will sell against the trend. So for now, the best strategy is simply to wait for a test of that weekly level and try to catch some scalp short from that. Traders, if you want more live streams, if you want to see me daily on live sessions, don't forget to check my premium educational group. This week I have 40% discount on the lifetime access. Yes, you will get the daily live streams, you will get live Q&As, you will get a copy of my ebook, and you will get a video course. Yes, if you want to learn how to trade, it is just the best opportunity for you to join right now. Then, CAD Swiss pair. I see a question from Jan about CAD Swiss pair. Let's take a look what is happening on CAD Swiss. And CAD Swiss pair, bro, we were trading within this horizontal trading range. You can see that from the beginning of 2020, we are trading in a bullish trend. And you can see that we started to consolidate. We were consolidating for a quite long period of time within this horizontal trading range, and now we have its breakout attempt. Yes, you can see that here we already set a new high on the weekly, and I believe that now CAD Swiss can go higher. The next goal for buyers will be that resistance. Yes, I hope you see that here on the weekly we have a very important horizontal structure resistance. Yes, so I assume that it will be the next goal for buyers. Yes, thank you so much for asking. How do I combine fundamental analysis in my crude oil analysis, teacher? Very hard to say, simply because I don't apply fundamental analysis in oil trading. Yes, as I told you, I rely only on technicals. I'm a price action trader, I'm a structure trader, and I rely on technical analysis. And it is very hard to trade fundamentals. Yes, especially if you are an intraday trader, if you are a scalper. fundamentals are very hard to read, so be extremely careful. And for now, traders, if you want to combine fundamentals, with technicals, learn first fundamentals, learn to apply that, then learn technicals and combine them. Learning how to apply them simultaneously is very hard. Yes, master one thing first, then second thing, and then combine that. That will be the best strategy. Joseph says we are looking at possible reversal on pound dollar pair. Let's take a look at pound dollar. Very crazy situation on a pound dollar. Let me know, traders, by the way, what do you expect from pound dollar? Are you bullish or bearish right here? But traders, the fact is that pound dollar is trading in a bearish trend. Yes, we are falling. We are bearish. And for that reason, I keep being bearish biased. For now, what I spotted on a daily time frame, I spotted, let me show you, there was some trend line right here. I spotted this trend line. And while the market is trading below that trend line, I remain bearish. I assume that if the price breaks that trend line to the upside, we may see some correctional movement. But again, local correctional movement. For now, it is too early to talk about a reversal on pound dollar. For now, we have a very classic bearish accumulation setup right here. We have the equal lows right here, and we have a low highs. Yes, so it is a very classic bearish setup right here on pound dollar. So for now, if the price breaks that support, if it closes below that on a daily, yes, I guess it will lead to a further decline. So be prepared for a bearish continuation. For now, remember that trend is our friend. Yes, and it is better for us to be on the side of the trend. If the price breaks, where will be our next support? Our next support will be that structure right here. Yes, you can see that here we have quite peculiar structure support. Yes, that will be our next goal for sellers, and then the next goal for sellers will be that structure. Yes, I hope that it is clear. Then Anuba says, hello Vasily, thank you so much for lovely market forecast. Please do a video about multiple entries with the advantages and disadvantages, and if you take multiple entries on your trades. What do you mean by multiple entries, Anuba? Do you mean taking multiple trades on the same instrument? Is it what you are asking? If so, I will definitely make a video about that. Let me know, traders, by the way, what do you want me to record a video about? About some indicator, probably about some pattern. Let me know, because it is quite hard to pick the topics for the videos. So if you have any suggestions, please let me know. Alex says gold next level should be somewhere around 1935 as my indication. Yes. 1935 on gold will be a nice level to watch. Oliver says pound dollar boss. Yes, pound dollar we just analyzed. I hope that my analysis makes sense to you, Oliver. Yeah. And traders, let's take a look at some cryptos. Yes, I have a very nice buying opportunity for you on cryptos. By the way, let me know if you want me to analyze any other crypto. But this morning I was watching Monero. And take a look what I spotted there. On Monero, if we open a daily time frame, take a look, traders. We recently broke that key level. Yes, do you see that key level? Very strong key level right here. And this level was broken this way. Yes, with this high momentum bullish trend, with the high momentum bullish candle, the market violated that structure to the upside. We got the confirmed breakout of that. And now, and then I was looking for a confirmation. To buy Monero. And take a look what I spotted on an hourly time frame. On an hourly time frame, I spotted a classic ascending triangle formation. Yes, ascending triangle, a classic reversal pattern. Yes, do you see this one? Here's our ascending triangle. And after the breakout of its neckline, we had a perfect retest of that. And on a retest, I bought Monero. Yes, I bought Monero, and now I expect a further bullish continuation. What is my current target? I assume that bulls will keep pushing the market to that supply area. I believe it is the next goal for buyers. So there will be my goal. I will move my stop to entry once the price reaches that supply area. Yes, once that supply area is reached, I will move my stop to entry and I will make my position risk-free. Yes, to me, it looks like a very nice trend following trade. Yes, it looks like here the chances are very high that we will see a bullish continuation. So let's see. Fingers are crossed. Albert says, analyze dollar CAD, please. Let's take a look at the dollar CAD pair traders. On the dollar CAD pair, I am bearish. Yes, if you follow me for quite a while on Telegram, on TradingView, you know that I am very bearish on dollar CAD pair. The point is that here we got this major rising trend line. Yes, you can see that it was a very strong support, and then it was broken. In March, the market broke and closed below the trend line. And of course, after the breakout, the trend line turned into a very strong resistance. And you can see that retesting that trend line for now, bulls didn't manage to break and close above that. Instead, we see very strong bearish pressure from that trend line. So I'm very bearish, and I believe that the pair will keep falling. Yes, first of all, the market will retest that demand area, and after its violation, the market will be able to go much lower. So bias is very bearish on a dollar CAD pair. Then John Smith says, what do I get as a member of your VIP group? John, you will get live trading sessions like that. You will get the copy of my ebook with my trading strategy. You will get a video course. You will get live Q&As. What we are doing here on the live stream, you will get daily. Yes, that is the main difference. Thank you so much for asking, John. Morning Buddy says, Munib, how about analysis on NAS 100? I guess you're asking about NAS 100. It should be Nasdaq. Yes, NAS 100. Let's check, bro. Let's check what is out there. NAS 100. Let's take Pepperstone Broker as a quote provider, and let's check what is up with the index on a daily. So we reached that strong structural resistance. Yes, recently we reached that resistance, and from that resistance we dropped. And because the market right now is bearish, because we are trading right now in a bearish trend, yes, I assume that the index will keep falling. And in my view right now, the goal for sellers is that demand area. So I am very bearish. Yes, that is the first thing to note. Then I would also tell you that in a daily time frame here we have this very strong horizontal structural resistance. Yes, I hope you see that key level. And from that key level, I would try to short. Yes, you can see that the market is approaching that key level right now. So from that key level, I would look for a confirmation to sell the index. Yes, for now we don't have any confirmation right here. So watch carefully that key level, and from that key level, look for shorting opportunities. Yes, thank you so much for asking, Munib. Geo right here. Geo asks to analyze Euro-dollar pair. Let's take a look at Euro-dollar pair. By the way, traders, if you have any questions, if you want to ask me something, please ask. Yes, as you can see, I'm trying to reply to all your questions. Yes, I'm reading the live chat right here. I'm reading your comments. So if you have any questions, please ask. So what is up with euro dollar pair? By the way, let me know, what do you expect? Are you bullish or bearish? What are your expectations from euro dollar? Analyzing the market on a daily time frame, traders, definitely we can see that the market is bearish. Yes, we are trading in a bearish trend. Then if we zoom in the chart, the second thing that we must note is that we recently set a new lower close on the daily. Here was our previous low, and you can see that we closed below that, and you can see that here we have a new lower close. For that reason, I am very bearish on euro dollar, and I assume that the market will keep falling. Yes, I am very bearish. Then, if we open the intraday time frames, if we analyze what is happening on intraday time frames, here we have this expanding wedge pattern. Yes, I hope you see this expanding wedge. So for now, what I'm expecting a bearish trend continuation within this expanding wedge. Yes, and yes, I see this head and shoulders pattern that you noticed, brother. But remember that we trade price action patterns only from key levels. Yes, we treat only the price action patterns that are formed on the key level. And if the price action pattern is not formed on the key level, we don't treat that. So even though I see this head and shoulders pattern, I won't trade this one. Yes, according to my rules, I treat such patterns only from key levels. Yeah, so for now, traders, I will expect a bearish movement within this expanding wedge pattern. Yes. Hi, I am Shahrukh from Pakistan. I love your analysis. It is so professional. I would be very glad to know your analysis on US30. Thank you so much for asking, and thank you so much for watching this trading session live. So let's take a look what is up with US30 index. Yes, I also saw a question about US30 index from Kate and from Justus. So thank you so much for asking. I see that many of you really want to know my opinion about US30. So again, traders, let's open a daily time frame. Let's try to get what is up with the index on a daily. And on a daily time frame, again, the first thing to note is that we are trading in a bearish trend. Yes, the market is bearish. And for now, you can see that the price, after reaching that high, the price started to coil around that key level. Yes, we have a very nice key level right here. And it looks like if we analyze the price action right here, it looks like right here we have quite weird head and shoulders pattern. Yes, quite weird one, but still valid. So for now, what I would look for on US30, I would look for a breakout of its neckline to the downside. Yes, bearish violation of the horizontal neckline right here will lead to a further bearish continuation on the index. So if you want to short, I guess you should definitely wait for a daily candle close below the neckline. Yes, it will be very important trigger. Then if we analyze what is happening on the intraday time frames, you can see that currently we are very weak and indecisive. You can see that right here, the market is coiling within this horizontal trading range. And if you are a scalper, you can easily short the resistance of that range. Yes, being a scalper, it can give you very nice shorting opportunities. Yes, that horizontal resistance area. Its bullish breakout may trigger bullish movement to that high. Yeah, so that is what I see based on the intraday perspective. Yes, I hope that everything is clear, traders. Yeah. And Herman says, hi, is there an inverted head and shoulders pattern on hourly chart on S&P 500 index? Oh, we have a very nice discussion, by the way, today about the indexes. I do this live sessions on YouTube quite often, and most of the time we simply focus on Forex, silver, gold, and we rarely analyze the indexes. But today I see a lot of questions about indexes. So thank you so much for asking. So inverted head and shoulders pattern on hourly time frame, you see. I don't see this one, to be honest. I don't see, really, brother, I don't see. You can text me after the live stream on Telegram or on Instagram and show me what you see, and we will discuss. Yes, so don't be shy and text me. Tess says, hi Vasily, with this style of trading, a lot of setups seem to have small reward to risk, and taking half profits at first target usually one risk means you really need a high strike rate. Yes, so do you sometimes get larger trades like 4 or 5 risk to reward, and do you pyramid at all when in a nice trend? Yes, good question. So first of all, I am a type of person who wants to win frequently. Win rate plays a very important role to me. Yes, I want to see the winners, and for that reason I apply bigger stop losses. Also, occasionally we catch big winners with my students. Occasionally, when we take a trend following trade, when we see a strong rally, we start applying trailing stop. Yes, so I always take profits based on the first target level, but I always watch the reaction of the price then, because if it starts rallying, I take away the second target and instead I just apply a trailing stop. And occasionally we catch big winners. Yes, so thank you for asking. I hope that it is clear. But most of the time, 80% of the time, the market is in the consolidation. Remember that most of the time the market is weak and indecisive, and it is very hard to catch big winners. Yes, so be prepared that those 4 to 5 risk to reward trades, they are very rare. Yes, and the market unfortunately is not that volatile to give us the trading opportunities like that. Yes, I hope that it is clear. Norbert says, can we check oil? Brother, we already analyzed oil. We analyzed oil at the beginning of this live stream, so please check the recording. Yes. Pi says, topic, PIP calculation. I already recorded, by the way, a video about PIP calculation, about position size calculator. I just have no time to publish that, but the video is already prepared. So stay tuned. I will definitely post that. Also, traders, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Yes, like this live stream, leave a comment, and please subscribe for more live streams like that. I really need your support. Yes, let me know if you have any questions. I wanted to show you a very nice potential long trade on Cooper. Let me show you what is up with Cooper. On Cooper, we got a breakout, bullish breakout of that horizontal supply area. Yes, we got a very strong structural resistance right here that the market was respecting for quite a while. And this week, that resistance was finally broken. We got the daily candle close above that. So right now, I really want you to look for a confirmation on lower time frames to buy Cooper. Currently, we are approaching this intraday structured support. So look for a confirmation to buy. The return on Cooper can be insane. So watch this one carefully and look for a confirmation to buy. I see a question from Lila about natural gas. Very crazy things are happening with natural gas, traders. Very crazy things. If we open the weekly time frame, take a look, traders. We violated this very important supply area on the weekly. We got a very strong structure right here. Very, very, very strong. And because of the current situation, the market broke and closed above that structure. It's a very strong bullish clue, traders. And currently what I'm looking for the retest of that broken weekly structure to then wait for a confirmation and buy. Be ready. I guess that the market right now is very overbought. And for that reason, quite soon we will see the correctional movement. And be ready to buy after this correctional movement. Yes, really nice money can be made right here. Ellie says, I want to ask one question. Ellie, don't be shy and ask. You can see that I'm very friendly, and as you can see, I'm trying to answer all your questions. So Ellie, please write your question here in the chat. I see a question. Sorry, I didn't notice. How you draw any level? Which candle you include? This is a basic question. You draw resistance and support levels. What is the criteria to make a zone? Very good question, Ali. So let's take away everything and let's focus on the structure right here. How we draw this structure? How we draw the supply or demand area? When we draw that, we must consider the wick, yes, and the highest candle close. Yes, that is how we draw the area. Yes, you can see that I took into consideration right here the wicks, the highest wick, and the highest candle close. And considering the support areas, take a look. Right here, we have price fluctuations right here. So we take the lowest candle close, we take the wick, but also right here, take a look. We have the structure right here. So our demand zone will be like that. Yes, I hope you feel it. So we take into consideration the wick, we take into consideration the candle close, and the structure on the left. Three things to consider. Yes, I know it is a very basic thing, but it is very important. When you draw your key levels, you must be precise. You must be very precise, and you must pay attention to details. And your key levels drawing must be very objective. Yes, thank you so much for asking this very good question, Ellie. How much do you make per month? My average return is 5% monthly. With 1% risk, I make around 5% monthly. Sometimes it is bigger, sometimes it is lower, yes, but long-term average is 5%. And yeah, don't forget that I am very conservative trader. The aggressive traders make more because they tend to risk more, but I am a very conservative type of person. What criteria do you use to draw your key levels? So first of all, there must be a very strong reaction from a key level. Yes, analyzing how the market traded in the past, you should look for the levels that were important for the market participants in the past. Yes, and the levels that were respected by the market in the past will be most likely respected by the market in future. Yes. So analyze the reaction of the price to the past levels. Yes, and look for the levels that were respected by the market in the past. Yeah, I hope that it is clear. Question from Yen. Sorry, probably I pronounced your name incorrectly. Bro, why you don't update your signals as to whether take profit hit or stop loss hit in your group, and I would like to keep track as to which one hit stop loss and take profit to know which instruments you are very good with. So the best option right here is to test my trading performance on TradingView, because on TradingView you can click the play button and see how my predictions play out. The point why I don't update is the fact that a lot of posts when you manage a Telegram channel, the members of the Telegram channel have the notifications. So once I post something, they get the notifications. And more notifications they get, more irritated they become. And I really respect your patience. For that reason, I do not post that much. But you have my take profit level, you have my stop loss level, you know where my stops. I always explain you where are my stops. So it is very easy to get where's my stop. So you can follow that without my updates. Yes, I hope it is clear. Can you share your analysis on pound dollar? Patrick, I already analyzed pound dollar, so please check the recording. Traders, also I really wanted you to watch pound Swiss pair. Pound Swiss pair is currently approaching a key level. Yes, you can see that pound Swiss pair right now is approaching a key level. We have a very strong horizontal structure resistance right here, and moreover the market is trading in a very strong bearish trend. So from that resistance we can catch a very nice trend following trade. Yes, so for now I'm looking for the confirmation to short. By the way, this was a very nice short trade that I shared with you recently on YouTube. Yes, in one of the what to trade series. It was very nice confirmation short right here. So currently I'm waiting for the confirmation to short pound Swiss. For now, simply we got the doji candle and then the market dropped. So for now we have no reversal pattern to be involved in this trade. But I want you to flag pound Swiss in your watch list, and I want you to watch that carefully. Yes. Then thank you so much, Vasily. So if you trade well following your rules, can you make 20-40% per year? Is it possible? What yearly target do you aim for? I'm aiming for 60% growth. Yes, and sometimes I get 50, sometimes I get 70. You know, it always fluctuates. But again, the long-term average is 60%. Yes, don't forget about the compound interest. Yes, so I don't make the withdrawals of all the profits that I make. So I keep some on the account, and for that reason, compound interest plays a very important role right here. Yeah. So how do I get on board in your VIP group? VIP group, says John. Very simple, John. Check the link in the description below. Yes, or you can text me, by the way, in one of the social networks, and we can proceed. Don't forget, traders, that it is right now a 40% discount on my premium group. Yes, and as I told you, the link in the description below. Faris says, "Hi Vasily, hope this message find you well." yeah, it found me well, Faris. Can you analyze gold? Brother, we already analyzed gold together. These are our drawings. We discussed the structures to watch. We discussed the long-term outlook, the short-term outlook. So please check the recording. Yes, I shared with the members a very detailed outlook for gold. So please watch the recording. Yes. Hi sir, what should we do if the market breaks key level without retest? Yes, very good question from Isan. So we must admit that trading the retest, occasionally we will miss the trades. For example, take a look at silver, traders. Take a look at silver. On silver, the market was testing that key level. Yes, we got a very strong structural resistance right here. And on that resistance, the market formed a very cute head and shoulders pattern. Yes, here's the left shoulder, head, right shoulder. And you can see that here the market broke the neckline without retest. So some trades we will miss. That is the fact. But remember that in the long run, we will beat the aggressive traders. Yes, the retest entry gives you better risk to reward trades. Yes, also on my channel, you can check the risk management playlist. And there I recorded a video why retest trading is better. So please check that. If you check on monthly time frame, pound yen and Aussie yen, there's a very strong support. Are you sure it is going to sell with the geopolitical? I'm not sure. With the yen peers, I'm not sure, Joseph. With yen peers, it is very hard to make predictions right now. They are rallying and rallying and rallying. They are right now driven by fear, by greed, and it is very hard to make predictions right now on yen peers. So unfortunately, I would stay away from trading those peers at the moment. Norbert says, thank you, my brother. Just wanted to know the best broker you are using to trade in indexes. So I have an investing account, first of all, for buying indexes without leverage. And also I trade indexes with IC markets. Yes, so check that. I really like IC markets broker. You answered my question already. Thanks, Tess. Thank you for asking. It is an amazing session for free. I got almost 5 new ideas to add to my strategy. God bless you. I hope you do it sometimes for people they can't afford but can send you possible positive vibe. Thank you, Alex. Thank you so much for watching this live stream. I'm really happy that you are enjoying this live sessions, and I'm really happy that you find some new ideas, some new thoughts from this live streams. Thank you so much. Felice says, please analyze Euro New Zealand peer. Let's take a look at Euro New Zealand peer traders, and let me know, traders, if you want to see more live streams. Yes, if you want to see more live sessions like that, simply let me know. Yes, let me know that you want more, because your support is truly very important for me. Yes, so let me know. Euro New Zealand peer. Euro New Zealand peer is trading in a bearish trend. Yes, we are trading in a bearish trend, and recently the market started to coil. Yes, we kind of started to trade in sideways, and recently the price broke the trend line to the upside. We got a very nice following trend line right here that was broken to the upside, and now the market is coiling. Yeah, you can see that we have some weird price action right here, and truly very hard to make prediction. I must admit that for now, it is quite hard for me to make an accurate prediction on Euro New Zealand. But I assume, because the trend is bearish, that the market will keep falling. I assume that the market will go lower because the trend is bearish. The closest key level that I'm monitoring right now is that structure. Yes, from that structure, I will look for opportunities to short. Yes, and if the price breaks that to the upside, that will be the next resistance to watch. Yes, so for now I'm watching this key levels. Yeah. How many financial instruments do you recommend an intermediate trader like me to trade, sir? Good question. Definitely I want you to trade all major dollar pairs. Yes, all major dollar pairs first of all. Then I guess all euro pairs. Also you can add gold, oil and silver. Yes, that will be a good start. Yes, and then as you mature, you can also add pound pairs, then Aussie pairs, New Zealand pairs. But for now, concentrate your attention on major dollar pairs, yen pairs, gold, oil, silver. Yes, that will be enough for you, brother, in my view. Lila says, coffee USD, please, sir. Yes, Lila. Thank you for asking. Let's Take a look at coffee. Let's take a look what is happening. Coffee recently dropped to a key level. Yeah, here was our strong key level. The market dropped to that key level. Formed a double bottom formation on a daily time frame, violated the neckline, bounced, and dropped from that high. Yes, from that resistance, it dropped. So what can we expect from coffee right now? Let's check. I guess the market now may retest that demand zone. Yes. And from that demand zone, I will look for buying opportunities. So for now, your plan on coffee is to wait for the test of that structure, then wait for the confirmation, and then to buy. If you want to short, right here we have this strong structure resistance. We have a key level right here. And let's check if we had any confirmation to short from here. Yeah, take a look. Lila, here on an hourly time frame, here we formed this horizontal trading range. Yes, minor range that was broken to the downside. Yes, that is our minor horizontal trading range. It was broken to the downside, so now you can short it on a retest with your stop loss lying above the highs of the range and your take profit being our demand area. Yes, so you can get 2-to-1 risk to reward right here. Quite nice potential trade. Yes, it will be a local trend following trade. Yes, because on the intraday time frames we can see that coffee is trading in a minor bearish trend. So that will be your trade. Yes, I guess it looks quite nice. What do you think about exotic peers? Says be more. You know, exotic peers are very hard to trade because they are very volatile and and they are really affected by tiny local fundamentals that are very hard to track. So yeah, big money can be made trading exotic peers, but it is very hard. It is very hard. It is harder than major dollar peers trading, in my view. One day I'll buy you coffee. Just update when you come to South Africa. Thank you so much, Joseph. Thank you. One day I will definitely come. I have a lot of followers from South Africa, and I am really happy that you are watching my videos. Dollar Mexican bullish from key support area, says Joseph. Let's check. Dollar Mexican should be like that. Peso, yes, peso. Let's take a look. Let's open a daily time frame. What we have on a daily? Recently, we dropped to that major demand cluster. Yes, we have a very strong major demand cluster. Ideally, we are consolidating right now within this horizontal trading range. Then if we open hourly time frame, we have nothing special right here. So for now, I would expect a bullish movement to the resistance of that range. Yes. And if the price breaks the resistance of that range to the upside, I will expect a strong bullish movement. Yes. And of course, if we break that major demand area to the downside, then the market will go lower. Yes, then the market will go much lower. So that is my outlook for Mexican. What are your views on order block? Khan says, I know that it is a very good trading strategy. I know that it works. I know that there are a lot of traders who apply that, but unfortunately, I don't use it. Yes. To me, it's price action patterns are more important than order blocks. That is how funny it is. How about some commodities like metals and softs? Would be the good to add to watch list? Oil, yes, oil, silver, yeah, this will be good. Other commodities are harder to trade because you must consider spreads there into consideration. They are not that liquid as oil as silver as gold. For that reason, it will be harder to trade. Yes, so don't forget about spreads. What times do you trade? Are there any times or news events that you monitor to stay out of the market? I don't trade. I trade from 6 a.m. London to 10 a.m. New York. Yeah, so this is my trading day. Usually, I don't trade during the US banking holidays. Yes, when we have the banking holidays in the US, I don't trade. And what else do you see? I watch fundamentals to trade. Yes, because when we have some important fundamentals, the market becomes volatile, and volatility, that is what we are looking for to pump our trading positions. So I am waiting for news days just because I need volatility to make money. Yes. Is gold gonna retest 1918 level? Question from Alfie. Alfie, we already analyzed gold together, and yeah, chances are quite high that the market will return back to 1918 levels. So watch carefully. If we break that horizontal structure support to the downside, then I guess we can drop lower to that structure. Bro, can you make a video on brokers and how to properly do your research on whether the broker sends your trades to the A or B book? Yeah. I will make a recording, but for now, I just want to say that big brokers are better than small brokers. Yes, so big hype brokers obviously are better than some small no names. Yes, obvious thing, but quite important in my view. Alright, traders, time to finish our live stream. We got a very nice discussion today, a lot of questions, a lot of comments, only positive feedback, and I'm really happy about that. Let me know when do you want to have another live stream. Also, traders, don't forget about big discount on my premium educational group. If you want more live streams, if you want daily live streams, if you want to learn my trading strategy, if you want to ask me questions, yes, that will be the best place for you to learn how to trade. The link will be in the description below. Thank you so much. I will see you soon. The updates, the new trading setups will be posted on Telegram, on TradingView. And thank you so much, traders, for your support. I will see you soon.